Hey everyone, we're here at Pacific Northwest Garden Supply in beautiful Mission, BC, and we're getting ready for the harvest season, and we want to feature a couple products before the season begins and starting off our campaign. So one of those products that we wanted to feature was the Centurion Tabletop Mini. This machine here will help you trim your flowers and help you get through the harvest a lot quicker and faster with a quality product at the end. This machine here can do about 30 pounds of flour in an hour or 6 pounds dry in 1 hour. Centurion prides themselves in saying that you only have to run your flowers through once and get the closest cut. It also has an option of getting it in a quantanium cover layer, which means that nothing will stick to it, so it doesn't require you to use any oil. Or you can get it in a stainless steel version if you want to do your own cleaning afterwards. Also, what comes with this tabletop is the hopper. This connects right directly to your trimmer and allows you to pour all your flowers in here first before they go through, so you can kind of sort through what's going into your system without having to kind of pick and drop into the tumbler. The vacuum itself that helps pull all that trim out basically can be controlled with a little valve here that helps you regulate the speed of suction. This helps a lot to, reduce the amount of pull on your flowers as they're going through the trimmer, so it allows it to give a clean cut without damaging any of the flowers. This product is available at any P&W in BC or online. Go pick it up now before the harvest season comes. Thanks a lot, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video.